Did you know that some simple home upgrades can possibly nearly double your investment when it's time to sell? Hi, I'm Carmen Anderson. I'm with Encore Group eXp Realty, and I love helping homeowners maximize their home's value without breaking the bank. I recently shared a blog post about home remodeling projects with the best return on investment, and their results were eye-opening. For example, replacing your garage door has 194% ROI, and that's nearly double your money back. Or maybe you're upgrading to a steel entry door, that's another 188% ROI. And if you're considering a minor kitchen remodel, even modest updates can make a big impact on resale value. If you're thinking about selling or just want to make some smart upgrades, let's talk. I can help you focus on the projects that will make the biggest impact. Be sure to check out my full blog post for more details, or you can just reach out to me directly with any questions. I'd love to help as always. And whether you're upgrading to enjoy your home or if you're getting ready to sell, let's make your next project a smart investment.